Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to easily insert a PDF file into your Google Sheets. Guys, firstly navigate to where you have your actual PDF. In my case, as you can see, it's going to be in this folder. Okay, so yeah, basically copy the link to this file of yours, to the PDF. You can either choose to just copy the private link, or you can just go to share and choose the restrictions. For example, you can open it up for everyone, so anyone with this link can view this file in your Google Sheets, of course, or you can just make it private and just use it for yourself. So I'm just going to copy the link right away. After that, let us open up a new tab and type in Google Sheets. There you go, in the search. Right, so let us go to the Sheets. Now let us sign in onto our account. Blank spreadsheet. And guys, just simply drop in the link just like that into any of your sheets in here, right? These little, what should I call them, boxes. And as you can see, anyone who has access, for example, it's only you, it can be anyone else, has access to this file and can actually hover over it and see the actual image. As you can see, very simple. You can also open it with a link, and this is basically how it's done. Enjoy guys, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, see you next time.